The term DevOps is widely known now, but what exactly is added to DevOps to make MLOps? Please explain simply.
Data science is added. If DevOps refers to the process of creating and managing applications, MLOps involves the application of machine learning to business systems. Applying machine learning to business systems requires the existing application infrastructure, as machine learning alone isn't enough. Additionally, it requires the output of data science work, which is the machine learning model. So, the process of creating the model is added to the workflow.
In traditional DevOps, you would develop and then operate the application, deploying it as needed. But in MLOps, you also gather data for training, train the model, and then deploy it. These are steps that weren't present in DevOps.
Yes, that's correct. Looking at it from a lifecycle perspective, traditionally you would write code, maintain it, and add new features before redeploying. In machine learning, once you've created a model, new data keeps coming in. You need to retrain the model with this new data. In DevOps, we had terms like continuous integration and continuous deployment, CI/CD. In MLOps, we add continuous training to this cycle.
Continuous training.
To continuously improve this model, you'll need to keep adding data and code. This adds the challenge of managing both aspects in a balanced way.
Listening to you, it's clear that this process is quite different from traditional IT development and operations. For those who have only worked in conventional IT, this might seem overwhelming.
Yes, there's a lot of trial and error involved. Initially, after developing the model, you might think it's easy to apply it to the business environment. However, the first few months usually involve significant trial and error.
And this is not a one-time development. The data is dynamic and constantly evolving. Both the model and the environment need continuous improvement and updates.
Exactly. As the data in reality changes, the model derived from the algorithm also needs to be continuously upgraded.
The key to competitiveness will be how smartly you can automate and create a seamless process.
Yes. When starting an ML project, most people focus 100% on how to increase the model's accuracy. However, as you move to the business environment, you encounter challenges and begin to focus on accelerating the entire lifecycle, reducing trial and error. This is where MLOps comes in, and the pipeline must be considered from the perspective of managing the entire lifecycle. This includes creating, testing, and deploying models.
Since data is continuously changing, the model will also need continuous version management.
Lastly, your likes and subscriptions greatly empower us to continue creating content. Thank you for your support.